And also damn para count just yeah. It's 25. To I'm in here. I'm in here. I can't in here. I saw the damn para se fa homeboy ho wa na ho ton. Damn Paris say fa ho boy ho wa na ho nto. Eno so ya kan won ti ase. Odo ho boy ho wa won hyen control. So do ho boy ho wa won hyen control. Asam da homa. O fire sapon. Boy ho na nto. Damn Paris say eno so no I can't just yeah. Only power but just as it's a joy with some India. I saw the I'm para can't see one just yeah. I give it down para minyawe, minya, asaudawa. Damn Paris fa who boy ho na honto. Was a man shen come tro 31st night. And also damn Paris can't want to ask yet. Baba so I say they invited. Maybe can ye yachro. The Baba can sempa at the achro. Obaswano I say no invited. When you want to be a police in here, target mommy. I won't say. I got watch it. Oh, yeah, dear. Oh, I asked up on no. And yet, at the first night in a young couple of years when you Yanya get yapa. So me know me and the other Yanisa. And come truck and come truck up for. What you need? Was a man in Quando West when him and more Timon sent from a truck and no Yamason. Come Pariaba. Comment to Wabaswa, comment, God bless Dampare, IGP Dampare. Comment, God bless IGP Dampare. Comment, God bless Police IGP Dampare. not also your best watching. Obaso I know say mo share video no. Well last hour. Yes, yeah, the body and for very. And for the very but yeah, very. That is so that the first night in come shit. It's any canny. And yet at the first night, I won't say coming. And this is getting man quite dear more. So when some comes at the first night, I went anyway. Namin Frew and for some Frew. Oh, Vinny Abijay, who am I? Messiatic. I said, Metinum be say ya. Just what to say, Okrano. What to say, Okran and Kasa, dear who see a nipedium. This is what we call gospel music. Of our Saponia Smafo, also on the outer way again. Onia, what to way again? Na ebre sing a kakakra. Na brenadu. What to what I'm watching again. And that first night, Air Police IGP, Mr. Kufu Dampare, or the Nasa Mamba Betuabon, so say, Massophobia and Shankom. Massophobia and Shankom tro. One cast a man Shankomo. The Emma said, I saw for be a sorry, I hear Cassa Anna Dampare said, Massophobia and Shankom, a dear bear Nacoso, that be Dampare and Cassa, IGP and Cassa. Was a man Shankom tro. I saw for now. O my dear to somebody and come trunk one a brand day in Omosheno. Omono Bufua, as a woman on my home. Now we are so for Crodia. IGP Dampari as a moke, Methodist as for and form him. Roman as for and form him. Presby as for and form him. SD as for and form him. Anglican as for and form him. Some of the churches as for and form him. But I trade differ as for. They are complaining. They are the one crying. And a damn pare say, me and Shankom. One custom me and Shankom was a man Shankom tro. And come out by saying who say, Sam Common and was an emudaho. Go activity dear who say, previous years in a terminal. I saw for the beer session come a common brand come say. And the damn pare started at Tennessee, no. So one sanitize a system no more. I saw for basa befrefra. Abedin kwasi asem e wo Ghana. Ko wo hwe se dia asofo ni bi asia sorry na. Ohu ni say as a Ghana Christianity no. As a eya say oman no. Oman Ghana betima gina ni na so a. Say security system no e solid ya. Government omre. Say security system e solid ya. So for gina sorry dem na oprichia. O here policeman so bagade no. Cause oye ni nyame djuma wo kan no credit ya kire wiase amansan. Say security system solid. Na say so for ni say wo kan kwagesem trodo. Enye na fu ana ode kasa. O here machoman so gina so dem machoman be gina nachi. O here police officer. Say police officer be gina nachi e wa sorry dem. O ko tena sorry dem na wa yusu nyansa say me so for na me di nachi no. Me shani niema bi awaya ne ye bi awaya was safata urade ana ansa Dampare asem o baba kan say ma obi a ma be se enkomtro no me so for ane ya ase no ye tumofo amosem ntie na ye to my ganem na ye hwesa de enkom basa especially say election time baba du so a say ya anya very careful say Ghana enya Ghana na ya smart enough a anka sofo ebre amankentokasi Ghana through prophecy and commission tro and commission ye boy tirim kawia na santa ne dane ano ya sen come na wie ne a ebamudi a ani ya de be fans amamu ani a creative window e de aton chen dampare atena se dia hunu se no Christianity system na ekoso Ghana no amanfo de jini efra enti eso ohwa kwan bi obefa so be dey obesi e dia stabilize niema ama Ghana ya ti nyamesom ase eno na dampare aso ase aji obi a won ti nyamesom ase ana aji obi a wa na adwene se wo ye bronsam ana ne dampare ye obeka setia police IGP dampare by God sent na mesra omampani na nado danko akufuado mesra say e was say o ma Ghana police service for no o ma katua emu ye duru sa Ghana police for no Ghana police service sanka police ni bia ye tu na katua mu 5 million police ni bia ye for 5 million en kan pay ho ana sa 10 million kwa na be kan pay ho kwa en kan pay ho na omunya ni tie so komfa nya dwuma ni yie a police vo katua na enye eti se wantima nyina yie na obi de bribe kakra bi dodo no obeje na me say IGP dampare one ne policeman e bobom de yanyi biem fine but se Ghana police for katua na ene adwuma na omo ye no a so anya very careful obi discard that na obeje because akatua no esha eti ama Ghana police service no o makatua ne emunye du yama teacher for katua emunye du yama soldier for katua emunye du yama nurses o makatua emunye du eba sa okwan se be fa so betima create this revenue simple to ya e cancel ye ye betima dia baba 14 kanyina ya fa nko security service ne ya fa mura nurse ya fa increase o mu pay keke no mo ho ntom no mu ntimi ni demen okwa ya dwuma okwa dwuma na yire so proud say ni kunu yes police ni kunu ay so proud say ne yire ay police officer ya mamu ni demen eba de sana de dampare beka bi ebetima koma dwene se sofo bi kodi nkwase asem no de sika ko dada police ni say monkonkodi nsemfo monkonko bu obi mame a there is no way sofo ni sika betima convince police ni no because he's being paid good adia ba ko betima ma Ghana etima solid and he say peer system no well satisfactory so jani njina katua we so happy police ni njina katua we so happy tese ne kra kasa hoto no say wagini pay sadi we say ntimi ankoso a I'm telling you the gospel fact ebedum na bi police ni hwe de madin a ne ho kire na obi ma ne bribe obechi se police ni akatua ye kama oye dwuma no obeyi ni yema ni so jani beyi ni yema ni abrochi so jani ntimi mo obi sotro o ntimi mo civilian sotro abrochi pol soja ni ntime mo obi sotro enso Ghana soja ni ntime se na tade no de akwa bi ase no akọbu nipa free ene IGP dampare wa ma system na ye adwuma na system na ye adwuma na nyo no nko na ye o woni police fo mpanifo na tata na chie no omo nyina de odoma pa e de atai dampare na chi ama na ni bibia wo ye bia no ekoso torch ene wo ye sofo na sa wo se tet first night nkwase ankom se na wo be hye wo be bo utima keka kansam eniema be ya de be create confusion fear and panic prophecy dampare se manyansa nya den ento ho o asem bi kan wanya waso na bi se e bia nyankopon ya cho se BBC e ba beto obi a wo nipa ne telephone number afre no e metra social media e meye ehwehwani mu nyame sum bia frɛ nipa ne telephone number na ka che ne se no mehu afa wo de dampare kan no ono ko vanda mo ho te se de dampare e kan no anya de ono obi e kontokwa wonu me se 2022 nankopon yi a kire o se BJ e ba ba ye odefo eniema be ko so yes heavy ama BJ a wo se nka ne social media fa phone fa telephone na fra BJ fra manka samanka me pe BJ number nyankopon yi a kire me se oba be nya sika 2022 fa BJ number man nan kan chene e me kan to social media the dampare can as simple as that na yet Ghana na software timas asesa ne nkoda any street boys say ye kwa ko buba besia ye ne konto kwa social media ye kwa ko buba besia e woni fie na what Ghana you support this barbaric act we say we support software timi gather school no atwa squad e dia man enipa say ye nkonko bu obi nkonko bo ni naked software ye te Ghana na dampare aba say mo obi anhye nkwase ankoma software be pa na nyankopon aton safre na sabe oni mbone fache ka kire me software be na nyankopon ensa wa ne so a onim say me nua ye me bone me de bone ya che no ma mene me de bone ya che software woni bone fache boy software na dampare aba no clean system na o ti wona mo kan ye ode yes na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say o man Ghana police akatua emunya du mama ntumu 2 million no somebody ma tumu 1000 Ghana cedi crampo 1000 Ghana cedis ana mbetimi dia increase a security system any house system amba ne mbetimi akwa because wi ase a etie nyina no eno ne nipadua ne etie ase no ye ni wi ase a where is Ghana entini pa no mutimi aboye ho ban am ye wi ase tena ayekono no ade ne e video mo wa Obabro chira police ni nsre ni o police ni akatua sono nurse ni akatua esono abrochire teacher ni akatua esono abrochire be Ghana ya nyini nipa na oya omo boye ho ban no sa ne ma mbobodi ekura o my Ghana no ni awia ba bia adwuma sefata bia no sa nya ban adwuma eniema ebetimi aye ebetimi aboa o man no obi a woto omu a wanti man ko school e dia ba ne e be ye betimi dia bo no so benya o man no esika no so mfaso that is all about Ghana we say ye kan boko we nya ye bedi di atam na pani we ay say dabi eno di kwa de o ka kwa pani ni pa kwa no betio so maka tell so omo adi atangidie e de tretin panifo no omo ye moa omo ye ginifo na man kara me shede nya omo ho time the way I said ya ope bro nya tade afru papa ho a untimi ko gina papa ni mun kan ensese ne kwasea enka ncho papa say o man sika nto bro nyatade we ye ginifo when you go that way so papa bro nya so papa nto tade ama wo na wo se papa kwasea say won nto tade ama wo bra wo dimi say onya adwuma mfa nhye wo papa botom o mo so adi atam no pokura no mi hu adwuma bi a o mo ya e boa o man Ghana ye to o mo tax e boa o man Ghana and so mutim be di president motem. You see, so called face the country. Monfa kasa akono, en kasa nchempanifo. Se sabe o papa o tifie, wo di obuo mapa e de kasa kire no. E de gi ade afri ne nchen a. Ade na wutimi exercise the same tactics. En kasa kire the president of the land. Bra ebia wo hia mo bi. Na modi Jimmy Kasa ana mo de beka ensam de apade e de afri aman ho. 2022 you best straight in nipa ni bebre 2022 you best straight in nipa bebre along the way and police IGP say asofo na mo didi me ya mo kodi twawie na ma be gina 31st night asode dem abe mo say nyankopon na afrem wo no police IGP Dampare say enough is enough e me gina sore dem me sem kwase ankom bi anwie emeka say nyankopon na yikire wo ema obi mete ema na yam nkonkose no yatimi hye nkomfo obi homa nitimi twahwe wasore dem na onya komayare na ka no so Ghana sa wo dabia na bompa ya kai Ghana police empanifu a omotai IGP Dampare achi a omodo odoma pade atai na chi amanatimi nya kokudu a wode ye adwuma no monanase na ma bless the president na wonya gidie se Dampare betima yesa adwuma no mo bless no na mo kasa na mo kekan kwase o president Dampare na wo di Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo atem wo ye ginifo why na appointed Dampare o president Dampare IGP Dampare na what one mo say who so called force bi a watie na wo de kekan kwase asem etia Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo who appointed police IGP Dampare. Put on your thinking cap. Mr. 2022. Mr. Stretching a ginifo on social media. Some papa said one and a war do bear we are saying. one day will take the full responsibility of your well-being. So we had the free in chain. Now to me continue anyone casa papa kwasia papa boa papa Jimmy for and so what the ajawadiana and the okasatre president say onya die bi mane mo my Ghana for nyansa kasa. Obuo na wo de ma papa wo de pade afi papa nchen a wo de request no for say buo no kasa kire president one the catch say develop world no emrantia na wo kuro make kan kwase asem say na tompanifo akoma so. You are getting out of your sense. Munsie nyansa na mo hunu said ya ji ade afi pani nchen enti atania na wudi a okekan kwase asem ni ejimi sem ni ejimi kasa no when the catch was na na be convince na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the MPP government or in future NDC government when the catch was say wudi o mo atemo a and be mo my bibi. Put on your thinking cap. Put on your thinking cap. You got 2024 2022 kasa se ba geneba and kasa se jimi for. So papa now mama odo ba wi ase on na so take the full responsibility of your well-being. So when they kasa na se odi obuo mapa na ne be kasa na dia hobrase ne e be request ade afri ne nchen a e dia ba de na utimi nye say president ti akonya so na ne ma bi nkoyie ma ho a na kacho say fa patapa kekan kwase asem me hwa presenters betra se no mo kasa tere president ya ase sabe ya di nsuo ana gino magini nyansa ne akiri. What is going on in Ghana? Huh? What is going on in Ghana? It's high time, say. Ya 10 years maybe I say. Ya free support ma police IGP Dampare. Some measures you DSC Kromi. Mr. Dampare. So for be obebu semra we say so chinitu. Mani sie nyansa na onko jina court na mrade ni ni. Na ya te Ghana. So for to me a trust squad now or the akọ bobi no aboni naked or we are no asan pretending so was on any part of the fine. You call this man of God. What the Muslims say musuman go back to musuman sam mudi mu boni wia na mudi twitwi nipa so for what ya sorry dem so for nim fache o so for enim fache o so for enim boni fache de bia boni ko na odwene enkwase anema enfam putuo emre oman ana osofo odwene oti aso dem say wo som nyame. Huh? You need a brain surgery. You need a brain surgery. Anybody a simple knowledge, a common sense. What you saw them, or kwanya osofo anamusi, who would be saying ye? I osofo no be decide any dinner, and can you do be happy? Who would be saying ye? And so still, you don't want to put it. Some 10 years maybe asking. And then Opel, police IGP, Mr. Dampare say, ma osophobia mesen control. Ghana. Was on country was stop. Was it man send control? And send come sabe. Oh, me person me take some me make any reference bia. Yet in previous years in commission be ababa. Time and change me some bibia and say commission we say and commissioner say nipa ne sum nyame I clear and see yamene sa ya fa ne normal. It's high time some no me no nyina benya ntiase ba ko pe. It's high time some no me no nyina benya ntiase ba ko pe me ba gi atum say dear IGP Dampare Ekan. I was saying no me nyina de yek. Roman asofo omodo omanda. Presby asofo omodo omanda. Anglican asofo omodo omanda inform ho. Asofo bebre omodo omanda inform ho. Dear Dampare be can be afa commission ho. And so bebre they don't care. Ada na asofo nko an ye wosu. Ask yourself. Ada na onkwa osofo de wosu catch me. Ada na onkwa osofo de was sa asem na Dampare aka no wonte ase asero wonte ase e de bentia. Huh? Ada na onkwa osofo de oso wonte ase say Dampare say masofo bia mo bia nshenkom e de bentia catch me. and there's a come you be your mouth TV as I say. A toda, and you may be one more. A do level be I was any person who answer. Nanny Pebby a fat one jenny. The can never be training Pebby, I am any Pebby in Tiasia. Damn paria dia or dia ball my gun mono. Some me and say, may cannot credit at Chihuahua. A barber boy my gun. A bema. Say, walk across on the damn one. And you may be a timid session in Petrim. Yadi session in Petrim. Emma Bonnie Pahuno. Sunny money in a baby fee honor. And now Babu. And I will say Babato. Oh, my mini be war by 4. 1 day, sir. We are the yacht now swatching. I all my miniana. Damn parasa, enough is enough. And the Ghana Christianity, anymore guas or Ghana. Ghana Christian Council, anymore guasi. Ghana Christianity, anymore guasi. Because of one person. Yet Ghana. And everybody car corners of the boy is so sacra nagini. What fanyame? And ke 2 or 3 in this country, Daddy. Sadia and Qua Tressa Ghana Christianity anymore guasi for good. I'll see a team revival. And the IGP Dampare and revival Sadia and my was a way a Bema Sham Quasian Comse at that first night we say. So we a Bema Sham Quasia Comse that first night we say near Henny, war Bema or Ghana. We want to find your politics. I brought your police in Shamra. There is no way. Our president Betty Macase, oh, be our chin and no from or taking action or any Juma. It was a sad legacy, a be hated Ghana. A be hated Ghana. Nasa, oh, yes, off one, I say, what do I say? Social media, and I bet you a soft for some. Social media now, but Uber training quadra. You bet him a decast the term, you bet him a can quasi some, better to 2 dear mamma quadra somewhere. You got 2022. Change your life. So for Ninkwada in a creature. So for training Quada Manoya, Timmy Eddie Chas, the Tamaka, and Quasiaka, or social media. I was quadia. Ye timid twat Babasia Elfie, yet to Ghana. Your friend be said, way ass of a penny. Ghana. Hey, Omian Kano Crew. A bread to say, so for be a Ujina sorry demo preacher. And you bet in a police officer. So on guard. Who hear my chomai? I did. Mo body on my dinner no pay near you mere. Mona shadow, hantemo. Mo shadow, hantemo. Why? Adibu or mona mo penaya mama Avram Ben Moshe. Already come with Dabia. Mona mo pe, Anna mama Avram Ben Moshe. Already come 24/7. Cause moniama moyeno, airtime, and some fata. And yakono. Cause I will suffer. Nasa would you tum pass eh? Namina frawa, ube who want to fetch it. Obia papa, obakai. Obia bonia, oba jini. No akai at Meremudia Quentuno. Yesu Christo near didn't say Srono. Ya didn't say Srono. Obakai a bonifu and nature and weshia. And Meremudia and Sono. Nesama wakai. No was she said ya de boniche. So for one say, I fear we say when I'm your new make cow touch them amoare. Me bow to Dabby and yes of papa. We mun hear deliverance. IGP Dampare. God bless you. IGP Dampare. God bless you. Comment mommy. Police IGP Dampare. God bless you. Comment Faguas here. Wa Ghana I solid. One Ghana I have police service no. Mama Ghana I am solid. I saw for the brain and I'm Ghana. My baller. Baller. And Omatia sorry the nipa come once here. Almost so the same nipa say they are leading this congregation to heaven. I saw for deep on near Kessia. Yanyama and Sam Fata. So for Timink and Nimi say me see a boniface. So for you know say, Mamina Kaya Kakra. So for him and Yashi. Metro say, Menam 1 man face. Me na more bad boys ya. Meti me dia omatratre moto so atoa babasia oni fie akwa kokuno. Me na more bad boys ya. Me wasofo anketu omu kurakura tuo. Ti me kase sofo akwada ti me kase me tuo bi nso me bow tuo wa abajeje me bow tuo. They call all these people men of God. Why? Na dampare aba no oye na dwuma onye jimifo nya kwasea. Obekasa ti dampare. Huh? What in your mesomasia? Ah, when you Jimmy for your quasia, Obakasatia, police IGP Dampare. He's on the right track. Ghana is moving forward. 2022, you see a lot of changes happening. I am a dessert. Or mining in our drum of support. Atai IGP net. Nanka IGP ababon tia baba kan sembi ti say masophobia and send control our Ghana. Look at the support, massive support to Papa Nanga Ghana. It tells the Christianity in Ghana a weak Christianity. No, it's not delivering. Omuntimin deliver. So omuntimin deliver here. Cause there is no way all this will happen. And I saw for kind of crack some on young quans of say, Adia we ye. Ebani katem say, Monkasa ntiemu nianumu na nyakwa nye. Na mo dwesa manka do hamo. Ma with the end result. The beba eso change say. Now you've seen that end result. You created your own mess. You should have listened. Mosofo yadie enya kono. Eyade a edi nkuguo, edi atete, ebebrem nyuma na moye. Anche ye be semra, se masofo bi enton anointing oil wasore dem. Kwa anointing oil enya hwe e masore ma no. Semra no so beba, eho na mbe kire nyum bedie. Na man comport mu last oba say yese collection kura mu nya ade. I know say a time will come. You better say masofo bi entonton ne ma wasore dem. Enya marketplace. O bi bia be a store. Na a license near who say, and you must say now ton our store. A time will come, that law will come to pass. Some someone dear for two. So for to make Ghana so for and a shed date Papa Bia 1 year I want a ba. Or Quack and so for the shed date here. Ya the budget about our why? Ghana so for some man can make us a mecamia. Macassa. So for and said date here. Papa be baba warrior, Emma so. Very sad. I rather Baba be obi amateur. Much respect. So for and said date here, Papa be in a year baba warrior, Emma so. They say Ghana as of one quack is as me a bosom. Omne Jesus aso omana no small gods. Jesus ketwa. Jobo baka final. Gali bi bu ebu ni so for chi ni kunu. Ne so for friend na ni kunu friend oboa. Me so for friend me pamto man fancy ya. Me kwaba. Ni kunu aduane kwa wo muso. Wanya ne so for call no. Ni kunu aduane o muso. Or the tankra de beto no mai atwia fa ni kunu so. Ne so for friend. What is going on in Ghana? God bless police IGP Dampare. Whether you like it or not. Sanka Ghana mpani for betiasia. Ani yetu abana ban foforo ba. Omo maintain Dampare. Yeah. So omo maintain kwa na IGP foforo na ba. O meto ane na Dampare ye na so. Mo me ho nya atwombia. Ade e betima ma Ghana etimi agina yie. I'm Ghana to solid. I am very strong. Power of my Ghana. And I say, security system never be solid. Sanity. I because of my Ghana. Abrochia said, don't saw the wa abontia. What have I done so good? What do you mean you cutting your suburb anyhow? What do you mean to trust emu abontin anyhow? But say be cry now to watch me. What think as you cry to baby a red chain or retire? Oh, no, be a ma. No, I am one watching to sweat with. That is a brochure for you. the law is working. System no ye juma. Ya enya tendidie ne de be ka kire mo say amonya ne ye o. Say ya ne de be ka kire mo. Etoya na toyi. Okwan e be fa so ye betima create jobs ama o man Ghana enkwara youth no easy. Easy. Adia ba ko ebu ani pa yie pa ye ahonidie neatness. Anka village bia yemfa nipa ba 50 and 100. Every month be am 500 Ghana cedis. Obeti akura se boso me utua ne ka 5 million na wakuno. Wan school anya be obeti me prepra akura na so mantwe bia e fifi gottes obeti me prepra without even book and pen. Every month you man 500. Obu akwa man 4 million a month kura wakuno. Oba adwuma ne complete. Na anka government in check it. A lot of employment and competing create within a year. Any part over 5 million benya adwuma every year. Abrochi adwuma abu adwuma enya adwuma titiri bi asa wo. Aya simple work bi. Simple work bi. Anka ekwan a road we nam so yi ye won krofo e doso e bi anipa be 200 akra to Kumase. Omo na ahwe road say ba bia ye clean bush ni ba bia. You to nam tan wan ko school oni pen oni book ho nyansa bia but o man sekan a obetima deliver ma na ye show mboso me so a ya obetima akwa check wapomuden your government hospital obetima ko wo yare a akwa gi aduro ho nom e free system ne be solid mo check asofo no a sabe omunya no omne na mu a omudi nkwase asem o Ghana na sofo ya no wa organize a police for ebu anu organize a soldier for ni ebu eni ese sa ne ma asofo eso mo twem ofiri Ghana sofo we bere nkwase ade omudi anu ajimi sem omudi anu no ye twa squad ma we ye kwatwa squad ma we ana mafia work na ye te Ghana na sofo nkwada nketenkete ekura tuo ade threaten babasia live on social media kwasia bi tuwa no de dampare be ka se me yenhye nkoma wanka ne yi na we mu yasofo enkom sha ye boy team ne calculated a prophecy obi eni mi se nipa wanya broso a 70 years eko bia betime wu atene tai etu obi adi 99 ana 98 na wo se enkom so obewu anya enkom hye obetima se enkom no so na bia nipa no kwa time na ka so na 3 years abeto so unconscious ne sambem a calculated prophecy. We have to deal away with that. Police IGP Dampare, very fantastic man. Say another Danko Akufuado. It's 2022. A police worker on to mom, nurses, teacher for migration, prisons. Some crofo say you know, well-being. Yama hu here o mine. Customs na nipa bia wato o mani mu asabe. Wan ko school a wan opportunity an ko school no. Wono so kwan ba ne be fa so e boa no. Ya chama campaign du so amana kwa wakwa chiche t-shirt and say amani bibia to de ne adi. Ya to ba wi an e ja na na. 2022 we have a long way to go. This is unpredictable among crowd. Ya de nema nam kwa mu bere mo pa. Say the ball and yemani nyina kwa kogu ya the ball and yemani nyina kwa kogu ball aso e wo social media. Say ye first selection no 2022 ye be ye gu fom. Yantiase as simple as that. Police IGP Dampare oda bompa ye ma no. Ghana nkoso a enko yiye 37% asofo. Ghana nkoso a enkoyi 37% asofo. E kana kura kire wo. Aba bi enyanya anka de we akobesi ahwe ne maame afa. Enso enam sofo bi asem a wakato ne tirimu nti. Wone ne maame aka. Ko sofo bi aka chen say ne maame bayi nti na ama na nti mango angoba. Abawe ansu nim say abortion bi okoye nyame anyadoma nko ye wuo aseni wumbu no enti e bato mo ntimi nyina eso de bokwa kwosere maame so for any tia passa by your way say oh kunu and so no dino odi obi yire no say gina sorry dem o say preach na ba we akro no so da so kosa asore no na woni di kru so na akro so for dino no say na betena so dem ho na enti we say awade we say betimi akoso last time ben say be ma na wu na akas asofo ne yire no ogusu di ni saa o mo ba ne so nware woni ne nyem so aro ma na sa kwa yegu e fere onye mo be me na kwa yegu o ma ne so nya be ma hofro nware ma ne nya na so mbie no o de saa na o ba ne so awu na sofo nguso no o de call ba hofro no so ti aware ase police IGP Dampare the way na watu na ni asi Ghana asofo no so no e be boa papa de o ye Roman asofo mfa ne ho SDA sofo enfan ho Pentecost sofo enfan ho Predi sofo enfan ho GDA sofo enfom ho ye komman kasem kompan ka GDA sofo enso ya hoto monka enso Ghana hyehyia sofo no mutimo den omonwene nipa ho enkwase ane manko enkwanse hu no na boni niama na ye te Ghana na sofo pani atima atototuo ade amane nkwada ade threaten babasia o social media na kwasia bi te hono mo a wanwene nhunu nyansa se ade asofo yiye nye Ghana asofo oma twe Ghana nkankro asa na ti papa sofo mu ne ho sofo kasa wanwene ho nkwasia kekanko Jimmy Kasa eniema enkwaje semna yasenka sofo kana sori dem menkwa wiade me mokro no adwamanbonye adansi kumu nya ekansa muntu ni aso sa niema wesi de nka sofo na kese committee me kan eba ni se ya kwase bia wo jimi social media senka kinse prama me enya sori papa bi de ne koya anka kinse pan konti social media anka da bia anka wo jimi ne ho sa ana ma me de ndie papa de ndie senka ma me ngege ma me enya sori papa bi de ne ba ne tumu na ya tete no ne nkwada abrem onya nyamesuro yi a kama me ngege nka obi ya ne papa anka obenya nkaye mase Ghana sofo no o ma haye pa sa bola ne ma na ekokoso social media ni nyina no sanka omunya sori papa bi wura mu o Ghana hono mo a sa sofo no nya waje so mba advice om ho a police IGP Dampare obeya mom ere no wasa ase no Yako 2022. Mind your own business. What? Never inherit your friend's enemy. 2022. Never inherit your friend's enemy. Enipa bebrebe gie nim guase. Enipa bebrebe sia nsohwe. Enipa bebrebe sia mane. Enipa bebrebe sia nim guase because of somebody. Oti social media. Unsia obi eda. Aso da bia na wujimi hu tie obi a sabe wan kan woda because obi se kokana ntokama no because wajimi nti 2022 spread positive news. What? Spread the positive news. Anye jimi niema bi ato fo so ana wo so. Anye jimi niema bi ato fo so ana wo so. Susuma sofo na dawo. What say? American system na IGP Dampare odi akọ Ghana no odi abedu Ghana no American system of policing ana odi abedu Ghana o timi ntra anti asoro America se se enkom na Ghana so for ne session Ghana no oh boy they will shut down your church enkwaya arrest you na yakotuatia ayiwa fimo they will shut down your church. You can't preach anyhow in America. The system is working. You can't preach anyhow in America. In America, so for be say 1 year or 2 million too much. Obetime den kwadako baba sia fie say omokwa akobon ye kwa kokunu ye kwa kohuro no ye kwa kodi nkwase asem ye kuta ba ye kitimoto so ye kuta sekan ye kuta we ne de akogina baba sia no oda so na mo America. O so for ko Wana America nyina enkwasha wonsa. Wana ma the whole American frama. No. Police IGP Dampare or the American system of police ewura Ghana. Fantastic. We woyɛ sɔfo behave like a pastor. Wonya opportunity na de bɛka nkwaje sɛm aka nkwaje sɛm. Kyerɛ nipa ne kwan a wɔmfa so. Memma dwaman. Menni awu. Menye sei. Eni adanse nkrumu antu nia so. Aniema betima ma nipa dwene mu ada ho. Na brade da nyina ode nokora benante. Na wiase ode nokora na mo ho mekere oda. Oho nkere oda. Woyɛ boni aya anytime bia obi abe okura wosoro. Enti mon kyerɛkyerɛ nipa no ɛwa sɔre dem ho. Okwan a ombefa so betimi aboa. Ama omatimi gina wo manan so asom Nyankopɔn yie. Na nya ne mo kyerɛ no. Nya ne mo kyerɛ no. Ghana sorry. Mon kyerɛ me mfa so a sa tradifo we say en sorry. E de abra o man Ghana. En sorry abo o man Ghana. Eno ani Roman Presby, SDA, Anglican. I mean Orthodox churches no. Most omo no mabo Ghana. But this of we say na me share come na say na say yes na Jegeze ko share come say kan Japan na ma stroke aye no. Kan Japan so nya stroke bia. Kan mu guase aka na Jegeze. Very sad. Oba pa me ke wo say. Ya na mi suma Ghana ma. Ko omoto asofo no e doctrine no e to ma gine mu wi a. O ka hwe awonte o. Asofo ne nsensem no eto ma gine mu wi a wo ka hwe omonte o. Ya yankwada abrem. Meko Roman from Nkwada abrem. Children of Mary. En kyerɛkyerɛ ye de man yen. Ye kyerɛ sɛ enkowiade. Eni adanse krumu. Enya bodi aye. Ma wani so ne wo. Yire ho fa won sa ye adwuma. Gina adwene papa. Children of Mary ne kyerɛ me Roman. CYO ye kyerɛ the same thing. Aka mi tirim from Nkwada abrem bepem ne. Enu ti na baabi a me de mani kyerɛ baabi se ha na me de kyerɛ. Na me se saa de no no kura na me follow na. Nothing will change my mind. Until I de saa de na se me tirim. From Roman, Children of Mary, any CYO, aka mi tirim. Aka mi tirim. Bibi en ho abetima ye betima firi mi tirim. Na hwɛ ane mo ankonse no so mo hwɛ no so no. Anytime bia so no. Yensha akwakura bi otie akura bi aso achim se kire o. Stars nko ana Shatawale this, Shatawale that, Daddy Lumba that, Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo this, Bawumia this, Mahama this, Mahama that. Very useless. God bless IGP Dampare. Anka 2024 election anka babedusi kan kwasi ankom se ne bekoso sa. Sayam Papa Mahama wanya nipa bi ancheche ne wore pa anka nkom se tantan ne se nkwasi ankom se ka Mahama nko na obi ewuo na yesi Nyankopon yi a kire se Mahama nsem omoja ono na akum Atamils. Mahama nsem omoja wakum Atamils. No anytime bi anso asade ne be ba so no na ya election time. Papa twa ni 4 years. Ebe kwa another 4 years. Ye sande we say taka no a. Ye to aba no lusu. Ghana, it's high time we have to call a spade a spade. We must call a spade a spade. I was saying a mamra no ye juma wo my Ghana. Emra. Na ye shembra na asofo money ye de shamo so a etiasa Ghana Christianity animu aguase e wo Ghana. Say ye de mra na sha ase afura asofo so a Christianity animu aguase Ghana. Very sad. I must be honest to you. Very sad. Very, very sad. Yes, Samra El Ghana. Asofo, yes, Samra Masofo. It must tell you something. Something is shaking. Within the arena of Christianity, something is shaking. Yes, mention Kwasi Ankomo. Where software and shen kwasi and come, Yankasa mention Kobo. Yes, a man shen kwasi and come. The calculated prophecy. As a mujai. If in Ekro, Ote Ghana, na oti asori da bi ne yenka enkwaje samo nkyerɛwa yenka enkwaje samo edo bɛkɔ heaven na da bia bɛkɔ prosperity preaching. Advise yourself. The name still remains the unpredictable Aman Krado. Achim Setre Kwame Mark. Happy New Year.